Last time I tried to test out my mic. I have this one. In the end, it didn't work with OSMO Action, and I thought it was a mic issue that I didn't figure out, or OSMO Action's adapter. This adapter was not compatible with this mic. I was unsure about the issue at the time, but I also personally doubted why this mic didn't work properly. Because I barely used this mic for a few times. Maybe it wasn't a mic issue. So I started researching this issue. After that, I finally figured out what the issue was. I have a solution for you if you have the same issue with me. Hi guys, Peter Pai is here, online side hustler. Welcome to my channel. What I figured out from the issue is this one. Can you see that? Yeah, this plug type. I'm not completely sure what exactly called.
Are you serious?
But I guess cable plug, something like that. Before you move on, you have to know there are typical two types for this plug. One is TRS type, the other one is TRRS type. Actually, from my research, there are more types such as TS type or TRRS type, but these are not that important and I'm not going to cover everything. What is the most important thing? Let's get this work done. That's it. I bought a number of products for TRS type just in case, because I failed to test it or I never used it before. I'm going to show you how the plug looks like. Yes, like this. So I wanted to test it out. So here I'm going to unboxing and check this out. This is a cable, TRS cable. I can give you a comparison. Look at this. What is the difference? The line, there's two lines here, right? And what my mic condition is TRRS is a 3 line. So if you have a 3 line, it's not working. For this adapter, it's working with this one. So I'm going to test it out quickly. Here, put it like this, and let's see, where's the mic? This is a mic. Can you see? This is a mic. This is headphone. So I'm going to put this here for the mic. So I'm going to set up. Yeah, like this. Good. So I'm going to test it out. Wait and see. Here, look at this. So this is a TRS type. So adapter for OSMO Action, it requires a TRS type. I'm going to plug in. So this is the mic, red one. I'm going to put it. So now it's a built-in mic. Can you see? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, test. So I'm going to plug in. So there's a mic icon on there. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is mic test. 1, 2, 1, 2. I hope this is working. So I hope there's a differences between mic sound and built-in mic sound. I'm going to plug out again. Yes, the plug out. Now can you hear? 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So see some difference? And next I'm going to test it out this product. So I'm unboxing. I think I have to use scissors. You have to be careful. Nothing. It's long. Unplug. So as you see, here is also TRS type. Can you see that? The two line. So I'm going to plug in here. Oh. Yes, it works. Yes, okay, great. I'm going to test it out for this one here again. So I already connected the number 2 product, here like TRS type, and here already connected, and this is mic. Now you can hear the built-in mic from OSMO Action. I'm going to connect it this one. Let's see. I hope this is working. So I'm going to last one product, going to unbox and see how it goes. Yeah. So here, watch your fingers. Ooh. Okay, you see, also TRS type. Yeah, looks like that. Great. I'm going to plug in anyway. So here, the previous one pulled out. Oops. I'm not sure what is differences between the. I'm going to try one of both anyway. So plug in like this. Yes, and I'm going to plug in here. True. I'm going to try another hole here because there are only 2. I tried one, and I'm not sure. I'm going to try again. Let's see. So finally I figured out after checking this mic, actually this is not working. I don't know why, even though it's a TRS type but not working. Another one too, this product also is not working as well. You have to try with the mic symbol with the TRS type. I think that's gonna be work. I thought every TRS type is all working, but even though these are product all TRS type, but some TRS type are working and some TRS type not working. So in the end, the issue is not mine. I feel happy for that. I do hope you guys like my video, and also I'm looking forward to your support. So everything's good. I will see you next time. Please give me thumbs up, and then hit the subscribe button down below and leave your comment as well. I'm looking forward to hearing your opinion. Have a great day. See ya.